Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your microphone is not working in your LG G6. The first thing you may want to do is to check if your microphone really isn't working. To do so, you can go into the Recorder app. You will find it somewhere here, HD Audio Recorder. You may have to agree to the terms. Make sure it's allowed to record audio and access to your files. Go through and start recording. Now if you see all of those lines going taller when you speak, that means that the microphone is working properly and recording. If it however does not or detects it poorly, you may have to, for example, look at the microphone port, which is, I believe, this one right here, this small little hole, and maybe even up here, this little one. Now if you make sure that they aren't clogged with anything, or if they are, then you should try to clean them. You could use compressed air or just try to clean it with a non-metallic tool. And make sure you aren't pushing it in to anything in there too hard, just to not damage the microphone. But if after this it still doesn't work, then you may want to consider testing it in safe mode, which you can enter by pressing and holding the power button. Pressing and holding the power button, then power off option, and then tap on turn on, and it asks for safe mode, which may take a little while to load in. Now you will know you're in safe mode by the safe mode text in the bottom left corner, but try to test your microphone out in here. If it works here, then it means one of your apps is messing up with your microphone. But if it still doesn't work here, that could mean that your microphone is simply damaged, which may mean that you'll have to go into a service center to get it looked at. Unfortunately, you can't really get any updates for this phone to try and fix any bugs. Because the update servers have been taken down, because it's been a long time since the last update has been given to this phone. You can exit safe mode by simply restarting your phone like normal. Just power off and restart. Another thing you could potentially try would be to check if maybe it records better in some other app. You could try downloading some sort of a recording app to potentially just check it out in there, which I'm going to show you how to do. Just wait a little bit. It may be a bit laggy after turning back on for a bit. You could go into here in the Play Store. And in the Play Store you could wait a bit again. In the Play Store, simply just go through and then you can try searching for a recording app. Select the one you want to use. Let's say this one, install it, which depending on your Wi-Fi may take a while. Then once it's installed, you can open it, make sure you give it permissions to record. You can just go through, give it the proper permissions, and then just once you get in there, you can try recording. And you can also see those lines getting taller when I speak. This means that microphone is recording. And well, if this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.